What is disclosure? Disclosure is a clinical process that's used to aid couples in recovery from sex addiction. It is a crucial process, the beginning point in being able to rebuild a relationship. There's great advantages for the partner because without a disclosure, you do not know what you do not know. But having a disclosure, and by the way, a disclosure is something that's done with a therapist. This is not a do-it-yourself thing where you sit down in your home and the sex addict dumps on the partner. But it is a clinical process that's carefully prepared and done with a sex addiction therapist. And when this is properly done, you don't have to wait for the other shoe to drop. You don't have to wonder what else is there. You know, for a disclosure is not just disclosing what the sex addict wants her to hear or thinks she'll be able to forgive, but it's disclosing truly everything. Anything short of that is not a disclosure at all, it's just a deception. But you know, there's also advantages for the sex addict. A disclosure gives a sex addict an opportunity to get rid of secrets for the first time in his life, where he doesn't have to continue to hide things, where he doesn't have to wonder, what would people think if it all came out? Oh yeah, it's a frightening thing at first, but when a man is really committed to recovery and rebuilding the relationship, he recognizes that disclosure is a crucial step. This is an opportunity to get honest for the first time in your life. Not just honest with a therapist or honest with your spouse, but honest with yourself for the first time in your life. Disclosure is the first move toward integrity. And yes, we use Polygraph to verify disclosure. And Polygraph is not used as a got you kind of thing, we're going to catch you in something. It's not used to try to trip somebody up, but it's used rather to help someone who wants to get honest, to get all of the truth out, and then verify that that's everything. There's nothing else. And it's an opportunity to build trust, to rebuild trust for the first time. Once a spouse has caught the sex addict lying, how does she know when she's supposed to believe? Does she believe him because he says, I'm really, really, really telling the truth now? Well, he's done that before. But with a polygraph, you've got an opportunity to back up a disclosure and to verify that this is everything and there's nothing else. And from that beginning point, you have the opportunity to rebuild a relationship that will be built for the first time on total truth and honesty. I'm Dr. Milton Magnus, wishing you hope and freedom.